Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're diving into the world of Kindle Fire and showing you how to breathe new life into it by installing Android. Whether you're looking to expand its functionality or simply prefer the Android ecosystem, this guide is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Preparing your Kindle Fire first. You'll need to prepare your Kindle Fire for the installation. Make sure it's fully charged and backed up any important data. Step 2. Enabling developer options. Next, we need to enable developer options on your Kindle Fire. Go to Settings, scroll down to Device Options, then tap on serial number several times until developer options are enabled. Go back to Settings, and now you should see developer options listed. Step 3. Downloading necessary files now. On your computer, download the necessary files for installing Android on your Kindle Fire. You'll need to download a custom recovery tool like TWRP and the Android ROM compatible with your Kindle Fire model. Make sure to check compatibility and download the latest stable versions. Step 4. Installing TWRP recovery. Connect your Kindle Fire to your computer via USB cable. Transfer the TWRP recovery file to your Kindle Fire. Once transferred, disconnect your Kindle Fire from your computer. Now, boot your Kindle Fire into recovery mode. This can usually be done by holding down the power and volume buttons together. In TWRP, select Install and then select the TWRP recovery file you transferred earlier. Swipe to install TWRP. Step 5. Installing Android. After installing TWRP, go back to the main menu in TWRP and select Wipe. Swipe to factory reset your Kindle Fire. This will erase all data on your device, so make sure you've backed up everything important. Now, go back to the main menu, select Install, and navigate to the Android ROM file you downloaded earlier. Swipe to install the ROM. Step 6. Rebooting and setup. Once the ROM is installed, go back to the main menu and select Reboot, then System. Your Kindle Fire will now boot into Android. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up Android on your device, including signing into your Google account. Conclusion. And there you have it. You've successfully installed Android on your Kindle Fire tablet. Now you can enjoy the vast ecosystem of Android apps and features on your Kindle Fire. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.